Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying your exact model and current build, so you download the correct package. This prevents mismatches that wipe data. Once done, charge the phone to at least 60% and join a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruption. Make sure you have 2 to 5 gigabytes free for update files. If you plan to use a manual tool, enable developer options and USB debugging now, but do not unlock the bootloader unless instructed. You should opt for the official OTA or the manufacturer's recovery tool because they preserve user data. Unofficial ROMs often require a data wipe. Before proceeding, backup essential app data. Enable Google Backup, export photos and videos to your preferred cloud, and save important app exports. Once backed up, follow the installer. Go to Settings, System Update, or use the provided Recovery Update option. Stay connected to power. After the phone restarts, you'll verify the new Android version in About Phone and scan apps for compatibility. This confirms the update applied cleanly. Then restore anything missing from your cloud or local backups and sign back into accounts. If something goes wrong, like a boot loop, try booting into safe mode first and clear the cache partition to fix corrupted caches. If that fails, reapply the official OTA via recovery or contact the manufacturer. These steps usually avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.